Hello friend, so I thought we would take a little bit of a break from all the holiday stuff and do a car tour to show you our new car in case you're in the market for one, because unfortunately my Buick's transmission went out, so we had to get a new family car. We got a 2011 Yukon Denali, so no brand new fancy cars around here, but it's fancy enough for us. We do plan on keeping my Buick and getting a new transmission for it because we need two family cars. So hopefully we can get that sorted soon, but enough blabbing. Let's go outside and take a look. Alright, there she is in all her glory. I do love the blackout tint. So this is what the front looks like. And then on around to the other side. Shiny wheels. So like I said, this is a 2011. Here's the back. Alright, let's open her up and take a look inside. Got plenty of room. It is third row with the captains. We do have the sunroof and the DVD player. Okay, so on the driver side door, you have your heated seats. This is actually just for the driver. The passengers is over there in the same spot. You've got the memory seat settings. And then you have your power lock and window locks, and then your power windows. And I'm assuming this is for your mirrors. And as you can see, the mirror does have the little arrow on it, so you can tell when you're turning. Like so. Below the left side air conditioning vent, you have your lights. We keep them set on auto. Your dome lights. I guess this is just like a little pocket. Of course, you've got your little air vent opener and closers there. On the odometer cluster thingy-mabobber here, you've got what your odometer reads, what direction you're going, and the temperature outside, your oil hand, your gas hand, all of your gears here, as well as your speed, your battery, and then your water, your coolant. On the steering wheel, you have your caution lights. And then my husband found this. It's pretty cool. It's got automatic steering wheel raiser. Thought that was pretty cool. Of course, you have your back glass windshield wiper, and then your front windshield wipers. And these are your turn signals as well. Then over here you have your gear shifter. I don't know what this does, and I'm not about to find out. And then you have all of your cruise control settings. What is this? Is this a heated steering wheel? I don't know. Don't really want to find out either. So over here you just have your answer call, your in-ear call, your volume up and stuff to control your radio, which is over here. We've got all kinds of cords in the way. We'll start off up here. This is all your informations. Go through those. I'm assuming they pop up over here. I don't know. I've not messed with any of this, but That's what it is on my Buick anyway. And then here's your radio. We've just got it. It's not Bluetooth, so he says he wants to put a Bluetooth one in it. So we've just got it on the aux cord for now. It says it has nav. The disc installed is not a map DVD. Oh, okay. So apparently with this you have to have a DVD for your map. That's cool. But if he installs a new one, I'm sure he'll get one that's got nav on it. So you've got your audio. What does this do? Okay, that brings you back to that. It does have the DVD player. That's all your settings for your speakers. Your radio, your nav, and then your display, rear camera options. So it does have the backup camera. I'll show you really fast. And so that's what the backup camera looks like. It doesn't have the lines to guide you, and it's kind of not the best quality, but this is a 2011 and we're just happy it has a backup cam, period. So below the radio you have your fan control for your AC or heat. Oh, that's the wrong one. That's actually for how hot or cold you want it. And this is the fan control. And then over here it controls if it's on your face or on your feet or both. And then it does have the dual control, so your driver can have it set to whatever they want, and then your passenger as well. Up here's defrost, and then the circulation, and then back here's where you control your rear air and heat, power on and off. Defrost, air, and passenger. It's got these fancy little cup holders. Now get this, okay, the person we bought this off of said, hey, are you serious about buying this? Because it was pouring rain. And we said, yeah, if it's structurally sound and mechanically sound and all that, yeah, we're gonna buy it. Because he paid $150 for somebody to clean it, and look at the wonderful job they did. Same with the cup holder. So I do need to get in here and do some cleaning, but you can close both of these off, and they look like so. I do love this wood grain detailing. Oops, I missed some buttons here. Okay, so this, you can bring your pedal up to you or far, or push it back if you're tall or short. Traction control and parking assist, maybe? Don't quote me. Your cigarette lighters here, or your plugs. This is your center console. It's got this little pocket right here on top, and then you press this button to open it. And ours was lucky enough, we got lucky enough for ours to come with a remote and the headsets, so that was pretty cool. You've got a USB plug in here, and then another little cigarette lighter thing. Let's go back up here to your mirror. It is equipped with OnStar. And then up here's just some interior lights and controls for the sunroof. And then this is for your automatic lift gate. He's got it turned off right now so we can pull into our garage. And so up here's the sunroof. And then in the rear, you do have controls for the radio and the air back here. Oh, what's that? I wonder if these seats are heated. That'd be cool. Then you have some plug-ins, another cigarette lighter, the DVD screen. I'd be doggone tootin' if that's not what it is. So that's pretty cool. The DVD screen looks like so. Oh, and back down here on your console, you do have two little cup holders. Nifty, nifty, and then they just whoop right out of your way. And we did get lucky enough for ours to come with the WeatherTech floor mats, so. And the seats are, of course, powered. Go up. What's this? The lumbar? Yep, that's the lumbar support. Then this one's how you lean it up and back. And then this button right here automatically folds down your captain's seat. I would demo, but I have my daughter's car seat in the way, so. And then to lift your trunk, there is a button underneath the handle here. Push that. And then here's what it looks like behind here. So you can remove these back seats. Here's how you fold them down. Another cigarette lighter. We're hoping you can push these up just a little bit because there is not much space for groceries the way it is right now, but these should slide up just a little bit more. But here is the view from the entire back. And then up here you do have your automatic close button. Alright, that is the end of this car tour. I hope you enjoyed. Bye!